Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing an early video. Sorry that I look really messed up. I just woke up and yeah. Also, sorry about the background noises. This was a good one. So I'm just going to be adding random things into my blue text line. I don't know why I'm waking up early, but I could have been sleeping in my bed by now, just dreaming of, I don't know, of Kelly, what I'm gonna do, so yeah. Guys, I told my mom I'm talking on the phone, and then she was like, this time, so, but let's just add this lip gloss. She just gave me tea and this pepper. Stay fresh. Sorry about the background noise. She's talking on the phone. Oh, you probably can't even hear me. My hands are tight. This is the open because it was a little hard to get this. I hope this doesn't get into like a meaty color, like a raw meat color, because this was clear and also a sparkling. Let me show you. Focus. My camera never focuses. It only focuses on me. It's kind of focused, but let me show you what the meaty color it looks like it's gonna turn into when I start mixing it in. Oops. You can't see it though. You see some colors. And my brother gave this to me, so don't worry, guys. He got it from one of his friends and then gave it to me. Because he didn't really want the blue tick. And I also found it around my house. So I just combined them together and it made one giant blue tick slime. Okay. Okay guys, I'm finished with the slime properly. And this is really pretty. Stretch. It's not sticky, it's thick and sticky, so I don't know what that is combined it together. But this is for overall. This is a really good slime actually. I'm gonna have a sippy sip of my tea. I'll prove it this is tea for you guys. That is tea. It's not coffee, not like some hot lemon tea or something, but it is normal tea. It's not green tea, it's just normal tea. So good. I know. I'm basically just drinking tea. Okay. So next what I'm gonna add in is this bell tip. I'm not gonna add it like this in it. I'm just gonna put like